In these cells, I have numbers separated by comma. The problem is I need to bring here some of these numbers in these cells. Let's say this is the data that is given by my manager, and he told me, okay, quickly sum these numbers here in these cells and bring this back to me. Now, how I can resolve this, how I can quickly do this? If I'm going to do this manually, it will take time. I would not be able to finish this quickly, and obviously there are chances that I will make some mistake. Do we have any formula? Do we have any function that that can help us to resolve this problem? Yes, we have. We can use text split function along with the sum function to resolve this problem. How we can do this? Equal sign, sum function, open parenthesis, unary operator, that is 2 times minus sign you need to add. I will tell you why you need to sign, why you need to use this. Then we can use text split function, open parenthesis. Then we need to select the cell in which we have the numbers that we need to separate. Then comma. Then we need to add here the sign or whatever is separate, whatever that we will use base to separate these numbers. As we know, between these numbers we have comma, so we need to add here comma. But we will use comma in inverted commas. Inverted comma, quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, close parenthesis, enter. So sum of these numbers is 58.8. We will drag it down. Now let me tell you why we use this unary operator or 2 times minus sign. As we know, we use here text split function. This will change these numbers into text. So this unary operator will convert back this text into numbers. So sum function can sum these numbers. So using this sum function, unary operator and text split function, we are able to sum these numbers in this cell. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this knowledge with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.